Hi guys, it's Dara, and today we are doing an Ipsy unboxing. So I literally just got it out of the mail. It is 11:40 at night, and I was checking to see where BoxyCharm was because it was supposed to be here yesterday, and it wasn't, because somehow between Texas and California and New Mexico and Arizona don't exist. Cheers to that. Sorry, I'm just really thirsty. I have a really bad headache. So the first thing, this I guess did not fit in here, is a eyeshadow brush, and it's in these weirdest ass tear off packaging. Okay. I really didn't like the fan brush that kind of had this coloration on it. This is a eyeshadow brush N15 by Shimming Glam. Don't know what that is. Okay, and the bag is kind of like a post packaging. How do I explain it? I don't know. You like when you put a letter in the mail and they like stamp it or something. That's what it is. It's orange on the back and it says Ipsy. I'm like, okay, not mad. Paris. Something, I guess the theme is Paris, okay? So the second thing I'm seeing is the Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. I love their blush, so, and their Tartiest. Okay, let's see. Has a weird thing. Only 2 holes in here. I'm just gonna take a little bit, see. Okay, it's just really finely milled. It's probably one of those powders that maybe will be good for, I don't know, oil control. We'll have to see. Oh my gosh, well, what the fuck did I do? I did something. And now there's like a shit ton of powder in there. My bad. But this is actually a good size. This is, it doesn't say how many ounces. 2.2 grams, so 7.07 ounces. The next thing I see is the NYX Buttercream. Soft matte lip cream. I got one last time, and I got one this time. I have like 4 or 5 of these now, and I don't want all of them. I'm like, why? I'm gonna say no, I don't want any more. I'm like, are they running out? Because I know, like, NYX is, like, doing something. Like, Ulta's having, like, a 5 for 5 sale on some of their lip products. But I chipped a fucking nail while trying to open one of their lip glosses this afternoon. Wasn't too happy about that one. And I'm gonna break another nail. I had my nails dipped. So, like, I've tried these before, and they're really great. They're great products. It's just you can't go super dark on these products. When I say super dark, like, I've had a purple one before, and oh my god, that was the worst mistake ever. The shit was streaky. So this is in the shade Abu Dhabi. I think I actually might have this one. And it's a nice brown. It has kind of like almost like a, I guess like a pinky tone almost. In person, it has kind of like a little pinky-ish tone, but on camera it doesn't really correlate pink. But like, I don't know. I think I might already have this shade. Because I think I can. I think I might already have it. And then I have a moisturizer with the lavender scent, and I hate lavender. I'm like, I don't know. Oh wait, hold on. It has a little thingy on it. Okay. Sorry, I need another drink of water. gonna take a what is it called? It's fucking green. It literally looks like one of my, it's like, it has a green tint to it. It is so weird. I don't know. I had to take an anti-nausea. I don't know if that's what's making me really thirsty, but my acid reflux was acting up like a fucking bitch. Yeah, no, I was not having it. I don't know if I like this. But the thing is with headaches, they say lavender is a great thing to kind of smell, basically. I'm like, I will probably not put this on my face. Because like I said, I hate the smell of, oh, it has microalgae, which is probably why it's green. But no, I won't put that on my face. Maybe like a hand moisturizer. No, but not on my damn face. And then, last but not least, I have the Pop Goes the Shadow Premium Eyeshadow in Goldie. Okay. I'm kind of loving this shade. Boom. I'm just like, yes, queen. Yeah. Yes. So sorry if like the quality is so shitty. I really want to wipe my camera right now, but I'm not going to. It's like I just feel like, oh, I actually kind of like that. I think out of all the products that are in front of me, I am most excited about the Tarte powder. And, sorry, the Tarte powder with the little moisturizer dabby dab, tab. And this. I'm living. It's kind of very orange. But, and I hate orange on me, but this is like the perfect golden orange, so I'm not too mad at it. So I'm like, okay. He bought me Isa Papa. Sorry, I got that song stuck in my head. But yeah, that is it. And when I get my BoxyCharm, I will go ahead and do an unboxing for you then. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. And I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go and self-medicate with this headache, and I'm gonna pass the fuck out.